A lot of people have written about the power of culture to enhance or inhibit learning. Edgar Schein's book, Organizational Culture and Leadership, is kind of seminal. Amy Edmondson's work since then has really been helpful. And I just want to touch on one part, Amy Edmondson's idea that settings need to be psychologically safe with high expectations for improvement. She calls that accountability. And it's really hard to have people open up and ask for help and share ideas and learn if they don't feel psychologically safe. At the same time, you want to be driving for improvement. That's where the accountability comes in. Now, it's not an easy thing to shape culture, but a leader who wants to create a setting where coaching can flourish needs to be asking herself all the time or himself all the time, how can I establish norms and assumptions that promote learning? And that usually involves psychological safety and a desire to improve, a desire to move forward.